Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, Christmas centerpiece decoration ideas. Pinecone's Christmas centerpiece. This Christmas light a centerpiece that capture warm elegance, handmade charm, a beautiful tabletop Christmas tree made with beans and bells, soft flowers, or even the perfect blend of natural spark base. Start with a simple cone base. You can use cardboard, foam, or a paper cone as your choice. This will give your centerpiece its tree shape and make it easy to attach each decorative element. Now let's attach pinecone bands using a hot glue gun. Mix different size and colors of pink and golden to create a cozy luxury look. Make sure it fills every gap for a full of layer bags and weavers. The finishing touch, once your tree is full and balanced, top it with a glitter star for a classic Christmas finishing. You can also weave a theme of fairy lights around it to make its glow beautiful in the evening. Stylish tip: place your centerpiece on a tray, wooden slice or cake stand around it with candles, pinecone, ornaments to complete your festive table setup. These designs work perfectly for dining tables, entryway, or even as a cozy living room decoration. And viewers, Allah Hafiz, thanks for watching my channel, and friends, thanks for watching my videos. So, Khuda Hafiz.